What's going on, guys? Back with another unboxing. I got myself a Psycho crate from Dan Mendoza. As you can tell, I'm a huge Dan Mendoza fan. Met him 4 times, at least 3 times 2000 at New York Comic Con, 2014, 2016, and 2017, and then again at Fan Expo Toronto, 2017. So I'm a huge follower. Everything he puts out to me is gold. And he's coming out with Sad Girl Psycho Baby soon. His Kickstarter was hugely successful for Still Princess and Sad Girl Psycho Baby. I've already owned a couple of Sad Girl Psycho Baby things at Fan Expo Toronto 2017. At his booth. This was the exclusive, but along with that, he hooked me up with a Sad Girl Psycho Baby sticker. So it's probably, or that is the very first Sad Girl Psycho Baby related item that I own. So again, I got this in September 2017 at Fan Expo Toronto. He also hooked me up with this dog tag of Sad Girl Psycho Baby. He posed a question on the Zombie Tramp talk show: where are Zombie Tramp's original body parts? And one day I just decided to kind of research it. It was like maybe 2 months after he posted the question. This also came with it, and then he hooked me up with this since I was the only one to answer his question. So thought that was pretty cool. Like, what artist does that? He's freaking awesome. He's so generous. He loves his fans. This is his girl, who's pretty much in charge of all the products that they sell. Lady Lynch, Kimberly Lynch. And then this is Still Ill. So those are the couple of Still Ill Princess products that I own so far. But if you want to count some stuff that Dan Mendoza's #1 fan made, I also have the Kickstarter sticker that Say made. I have 3 of these, which I keep at the back of all 3 of my Zombie Tramp or Dollface binders. And then I also have the ash can. Some say it's the first appearance. Some argue to hell that it's not. I really don't care. Got this from Say also. So just wanted to kind of share what Sad Girl Psycho Baby stuff I own already, but I'm super psyched about what's in the box, what's in the Psycho crate. If you're interested in getting your own Psycho crate, this is Dan Mendoza's post on Instagram. He posted it a couple days ago. Psycho crate. What's in the box? Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Scroll down. Psycho case is finally out. Choose between X or XX. Here is a link. stillillprincess.bigcartel.com. So as soon as I saw this post, I had to have it. So I went with the XX, and I finally got it. This came super quick. Maybe like 2 or 3 days. Got some cool fragile sticker on it on both sides, although the box is a little dinged up, so I don't think the mailman really paid attention. But it's a nice touch that Dan and Kim are doing. But let's cut to it. Let's open this baby up. Let's see, where is the tear? Bam. Okay. Packing that material, just want to make sure I got everything. Cool. Here it is. And I should have brought my scissors with me, which I don't. Alright, so let's check out the box. It's a nice cardboard. It's got this, like, okay. Now I definitely need my razor blade, or I can just use my finger now. Okay, that was easy enough. Here we go. More packing material, what the heck? Okay. Got myself a sad girl candle. Very pretty. Oh man, it's the Virgin Mary homage, I guess. Sick. This was a print also for the Kickstarter. Oh man, this is beautiful. Sad Girl Psycho Baby, and I forget her name. Oh wait, there's a warning. This candle contains healing properties made of unicorn dust. Prolonged use of may cause bubbly sensations of euphoria. Sugar Pop, that's her name. There we go. Bam. Beautiful. I've never seen this image before, actually. This is really cool. Okay. What does it say over here? There's a warning label on this one too. Warning, long-term burning of this candle may cause great sadness. Please burn in small doses. Okay. I don't know what this is. Challenge of the GoBots. I remember this 80s cartoon from back in the day. So apparently he gave me, what is this, the DVD? I don't even have a DVD player hooked up. Oh, actually, maybe I do. Yeah, I do. I don't think that works. I don't know. Cool. Clearly, I don't know if he had this lying around or something. It's still wrapped up, so it's brand new. Cool. I remember having long conversations with Dan about cartoons. So cool. Oh, okay. Another Sad Girl sticker. This looks tight. I like this. Nice. Oh, sweet. This is definitely going to be worn at the next convention I go to. Sad Girl and Sugar Pop for your convention badge. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, sweet! Sad Girl pin. Looks legit too. It's got 2 pins on the back. I like it. Oh yeah. Still Ill Princess pin. Hell yeah. This is nice. Oh man, more stickers. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Sugar Pop, regular and risque. And, oh, a risque of the other sticker I was just showing. Regular and risque. Oh man, I got coasters. Two Sad Girl coasters. And two Sugar Pop coasters. Sugar Pop. Sad Girl. Sweet. Oh, they're double-sided. Oh, okay. So they're all the same. You get 4 of them. Sweet. Bam. Bandana. Sad Girl, Psycho Baby. That's what's up. Oh my God. Holy moly. Got me a Dollface sketch. Wow, my first 2018 SIG. This is cool. I like it. Shabam. Still a Princess Original Dan Mendoza hand-drawn artwork. Look at that. This alone is worth the price of admission. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's sweet. Okay. Now to get this last item out. Looks like it's the last item. I'll pop these out because this is bigger than most everything else. Sorry, I'm trying to speed this up. Alright, so this is definitely the last item. Super Real versus the movie industry. 48 pages. This has been mega popular among the Dan Mendoza community lately. All the fans have been collecting this, so let's kind of go through it. So I'm actually not up on it. I see a lot of chatter about this, but I haven't been really paying attention because it's not Zombie Tramp or Sad Girl related. Not as interested. This looks cool. Oh, is that John Boy Meyer who did the artwork? Jason Marin. Awesome. I'm not gonna flick through the whole thing, but definitely check it out. I'm thinking this is worth some good money because, again, I keep seeing people talking about this. I dig Jason Martin too, so I'll definitely have to read this. I'm not familiar with his earlier work, actually. I'm not familiar with his current character either, which I'm trying to catch up on, but it's just too much. Awesome. This is sweet. Super Real versus the movie industry. Like I said, I know this is worth some money. It's rare too, so I'm glad I own this. But yeah, great set. Candles. stickers, random DVD, coasters, bandana, holla at your boy. These pins are legit. Bam. Bam. And of course, last but not least, this beauty right here. Hell yeah. All right, so that's my unboxing of the Psycho Crate. Again, you can get this from Dan Mendoza at stillprincess.bigcartel.com. And as you can see, you get your money's worth. So check it out, and thanks for watching. Peace. Hey guys, just following up. So I just did my Psycho Crate unboxing, and this comic book came with it. And after I did the first video, I just did a quick Google search on this, or actually I checked on eBay, and found that this is actually the first published work by Dan Mendoza. So he actually did some of the interior artwork, and you can easily tell, like, you could totally see his style. Like from the first page, inside the cover, it has Dan Mendoza, toxiccandy.com, and you can see his artwork right there. It's like clearly his style. And then if you just kind of flip through it, I found the pages that he worked on. So I think, oh, it's this side. Careful. Okay. The panel on this side here, you can see the second panel clearly is his art style, and then this page here on this side, totally tell it's Dan Mendoza's work. And I'm guessing if I flip through more, there'll be more. And this is a pretty thick book. 48 pages actually, so I'm excited to read this. This is really cool. So just wanted to follow up, and happy to be the proud owner of Super Real vs. the movie industry.